Hello my people, it's your boy Mario here and you're live on Bright Future Stars TV. Today we have a very special episode for you and this is top 10 things that Jamaican men want for Christmas. Check it out now.
Number 10. Lotion.
Hey, guess what I got for Christmas? No stress, lotion is the best. Don't need my girl no more. I'm ready.
Number 9. A good football match.
Yeah, Perry, yo, Roderick, match about to start and that, yo.
Yeah man,
My side, I go kick your side, you know, so Real Madrid, that body sting my
Yeah,
lose.
Try to get look, come on,
Watch this now, watch this.
Yo, I bet you say,
Yo, a Christian in a dog. Yo, man, get a free kick already, my youth. Free that.
No,
Check no more. Yo, I celebrate like
Number 8. A new phone. Girl, every time you walk past my street, I watch every step, every move of your feet. And every time you look around my heart, keep a beat. Girl, your heart is
want a new phone for Christmas and I'm bumper stuff phone and give me
the time.
Can't wait out this year, man.
Number 7. Good sleep.
Yes, Christmas no work. Yes, can't get the sleep. Woo! Yes.
Number 6. New games.
Yo, Mary, me now better come to party I keep tonight, you know, cause Shadow Star, me just get a new Grand Theft CD. Yo, see you next year. Yeah, that's how we can say. Me now move for yourself, you know. Shadow Star. Yo, it's better work good enough. I don't know, say. This, yeah, Grand Theft. Alright, see if this can load up now. Yeah, best gift ever. Oh. New Grand Theft CD. Oh, warm on my hand them, you see it? Cause John was there. Oh, hey, yo, dead boy, dead. How you dead? You dead? All on it. Yeah. Yo, my body up, Oh, everybody dead. Hey, I'll shoot that ear, in the ear.
Number 5. A good movie.
You know star they move. Yo, show you sick in them. Kick your boy. No, kick, short it. Kill boy.
Number 4. No food.
You know star man hungry no man. You know star. Miss Little, where you cook? Bomba star, man, belly a war. Yeah man, Miss Little, my Christmas shot. What this? Baked chicken, rice and peas.
Number 3. Credit.
Yo, Roderick, I swear, I'm long for my girl voice in a star. Missy, yo, call her in a star.
We're sorry, but you do not have enough credit to
How the digital man, I tell you about me and credit my youth. You can't believe them stupidness, man.
Yo, this is a foolish
man. Yo, I'm going to send everybody in my contact list. Please credit me. At Christmas, I must get so credit, you know?
Yeah, man, of course, man.
Everybody, please credit me.
Must, man, youth.
Body. Yo, your phone had a vibrate this star, yo. I must buy $100 this again.
Yo, 1,000
I'll close it. That's how
Bomba star.
Yo, may I see doubles?
No, me not see safety.
Me need that glasses after the dark. Yo, so the wrong with my eye right now. I really please credit me them and send back.
Man, you're foolish that man. A big Christmas umbrella.
And I say, how can you plan a big Christmas day? How can somebody not have credit my youth?
Number 2. Money.
Jano Star, 5 UC ticket for go party down the road. Yo, see me can't find the money, huh? What go on? Jano Star, me not no money star. Yo, me really need some, you know? Yo, let me call my grandmother, yeah? See what I go on for this woman a foreign. Hey grandma! What's up grandma? You know it's a long time I don't see you? What go on? You good? You know, I really miss you and all, grandma. I haven't seen her great face for such a long while. You know, you're such a nice lady. I really miss you. Hey, mom, I miss your bad, grandma. So, how are you doing? You cool? Oh gosh, grandma, I know you one. I swear, grandma, Jamaica's a very cool place, grandma. Very cool. Me that really love some money right now. Give me warm, grandma. It's a very cool place. Just send some money, grandma. You know, at Christmas and all. You know, yeah, man, love you. You know, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. You know, it's the best thing ever. All right, grandma, love you. Send the money. All right.
Number one. Guess what I wanna go be?
Yeah man, Christmas time, I feel them cold breeze and thing, man. I need a girl to link me now. See which girl we can call. Shani. Shani, we can't go, brother. So babes, so I'm going.
Anyway,
Yeah, man, love and thing, man. You can't come link me. Yeah man, link me and come link the meta, man. Oh, wrong now. Sister Shani. Oh. Don't worry yourself, man. God now said nothing. Come link me, see your name. Okay people, thank you for watching this week's episode on Bright Future Stars TV, which we featured JR and Kenneth. You know what we want to do right now?
Like,
Comment,
Share.
and
subscribe.
Dream it, believe it,
Make it real.
we are the
hot boys.